Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Pixiv how to delete account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To delete your Pixiv account, what you need to do first is head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in Pixiv account deletion page. Then once your search result loads, what you need to do is simply tap on the first thing that is shown to you. Then once you inside here, you'll be redirected to the Pixiv support page. Now under delete your account, here you'll find the option that says I want to delete my Pixiv account. Simply tap on that, and now what you need to do here is just simply open up your app and then log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is just simply tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then here what you need to do is find the option that says my page. Then inside my page, you'll find the option that says about this app, and then once you're there you'll find an option that says leave and delete your account. Simply tap on that and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your deletion. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.